Thanks for joining us today. I'm Jessica Maley. Here's your Lakeland News Interview. With a little more than half of Lakeland team members compliant for flu vaccinations, we need your help. Please make time for your flu shot immediately to protect yourself, your team, your family, and your community. To get your free flu shot from Employee Health, go to Pulse Newslink and view the updated calendar of times and locations. The deadline to comply is December 3rd. If you received your vaccination outside of Spectrum Health Lakeland, such as your primary care physician or local pharmacy, send an immunization record to SHL Employee Health at spectrumhealth.org. Thank you to the approximately 104 team members who have volunteered time and energy to support our inpatient teams over the past month. Volunteers have helped nursing and EVS by running from pharmacy to floors, restocking COVID-19 cards, answering patient call lights, answering phones on the unit, and taking linens off beds. There are still many opportunities to help. Please see your corporate communications email for a sign-up sheet and call Julie Elliott at 269-983-8278 for further instructions. Despite the challenges of 2021, the Lakeland Physician Recruitment Team has worked to sign 42 providers and 4 critical recruits for hard-to-fill positions on the medical staff this year, with more to come. They also have conducted 72 orientations and 74 site visits, several of them virtual, and attended 3 job fairs. This October, they also helped coordinate and host the first annual Spectrum Health Resident and Fellow Job Fair at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital in Grand Rapids. All residents and fellows at Spectrum Health, West Michigan, and Lakeland were invited to the event. Service line leaders attended to highlight open opportunities. Additional Spectrum Health leaders also attended, including President and CEO Tina Friesdecker and others. Thank you, recruitment team. Keep up the excellent work. The Lakeland Graphics Department and Spectrum Health Corporate are consolidating to one service center. The corporate service based in Grand Rapids will serve all Spectrum Health divisions, including Lakeland. Everything you need to know about the transition from graphics to DSP, including important dates, virtual training times, resources, and more, is on Insight. A new chat feature in ServiceNow launched this month. In addition to calling the service desk phone number, you can now start a live chat with the service desk agent. Open the virtual chat in ServiceNow, then click Show Me Everything and select Chat with the Service Desk Agent. The chat is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Agents look forward to chatting with you soon. MyLakeland, the former intranet site for Spectrum Health Lakeland, was officially retired on Monday, November 15th. All MyLakeland content, including SharePoint 2010 sites, pages, files, and lists, are now unavailable. All previously active content has been migrated and should be available elsewhere, including Insight, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, or SHL Drive. Please contact carl.knopflock at spectrumhealth.org if you have any questions. This month, Caring Circle celebrated 40 years of service in Southwest Michigan. Over the last 4 decades, Caring Circle has helped provide comfort and dignity to thousands of people throughout Allegan, Berrien, Cass, and Van Buren counties, allowing them to spend their final months wherever they call home, surrounded by their loved ones. Over the years, services have expanded to include both a community and hospital-based palliative care program, grief support, the Merlin and Carolyn Hansen Hospice Center, and a transitions program for people who need connections and support from community-based services. More information is available at caring-circle.org. A Lakeland team member has recently celebrated 50 years of work at our organization. Lakeland President Lauren Hamill took a few minutes to sit down with Cynthia Small and hear how it all started, what's changed, and what's next for the Lakeland nurse.
What was your first role when you went to work at Mercy Hospital?
Well, it wasn't the role that I wanted. I applied for a job, and this is what they told me. It's intensive care or we don't have anything for you.
So you're right out of nursing school.
Yes.
And you went right into intensive care.
Right into intensive care, which scared me to death.
That wasn't long before you started being in charge of some things.
Yes, I became house supervisor.
How long between when you graduated as a new nurse, you jumped into a job in an ICU, and then became house supervisor?
Maybe 5 years, but I had to learn a lot.
So you were pretty young as a house supervisor.
I was wet behind the ears.
To watch the full interview, visit Pulse News link. I'm Jessica Maley, and that's your Lakeland News and Review.